Let's decorate a Pikachu sugar cookie together. You're going to start with your yellow royal icing and you're going to outline the circle cookie. And I do this about 3 or 4 times and I let this dry just slightly, like a minute, definitely no more than 2, and then I come back and add the center filling. And the reason why I do this is I like to have a pretty solid wall so that hopefully my cookie will not overflow. Now, if you're a beginner, which I hope you are, because this is a beginner Pikachu cookie, know that overflowing cookies is something that happens to literal cookie pros. Let that sink in. Cookie pros will have cookies overflow. So it will happen to you. It's truly just a matter of time. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but there are some steps you can take to hopefully avoid it. And one is having a pretty solid cookie outline, creating that wall for your icing. A second thing that can be really helpful is what I'm doing right here. So you can see I started doing kind of a circle twirl shape, adding the inside icing inside that outline icing, and it's the same consistency, didn't change it, but I didn't go all the way to the edge so that I didn't put extra pressure on that outline. Now I'm adding a little bit more icing to the inside the circle a little bit. That's because I just want to make sure I have enough icing on my cookie. And then I'm going to come in with my scribe and I do this kind of swirl motion to push the icing to the edge and then kind of bring it back out. And then the third thing that I like to do is what I call the washing machine, where I'm just shaking. I stick my scribe in the middle and I shake the cookie to even out all of the icing. Now you'll get the hang of this. It'll go a lot faster for you. For Pikachu and all the other Pokemon that are in this set, you want to come back and do the face after they've what we call crusted over. So this would be if you stuck your finger in your cookie, which I don't recommend. The icing would have a kind of crust on top. You can see that it's crusted over because it's not as glossy. If you go back a little bit in this video, you'll see the fresh icing is very glossy. It's very reflective. The crusted over icing is just a little bit reflective. And you're going to come in and add a nose dot right into the center and then kind of 2 J's back to back for the mouth. One of the eyes will be winking, and so it's going to be kind of like an N without the straight bit. I don't know how to say that. It's going to be a half U upside down. Please watch the video because I am not very good at describing what I'm doing here. And then to make the open eye, the black circle for an eye, I'm trying my best to make a circle that's about the same shape as the winking eye. And then I'm coming in with my scribe to correct any sort of weird blobbiness I made to that eye, any parts that are straight, so I don't have the eyeliner effect where I just keep adding more and more until suddenly I don't have a Pikachu eye, I just have a black blob for a decorated cookie. And then I'm coming in with my red icing to add those red rosy cheeks, and I'm pressure piping a circle on. This means I'm just pressing the icing out of my piping bag, not letting it kind of flow on its own. And if you kind of overdo it a little bit, you can see I literally did that here. I'm just coming in with my scribe and spreading it out till I have my circle for my Pikachu cookie. This is part of a full beginner Pokemon set, and I hope that you catch the one that you like and you give it a try.